The Bravest One. Once upon a time, there was a school in the jungle. A deer, a tiger, a bear and a zebra were the students. Mr. Owl was the teacher. In the class, the tiger was a bully. He stole the zebra's food and threatened to scratch him if he told the teacher. The tiger shared the zebra's food with the bear and the deer. The bear ate it, but the deer didn't because she didn't like bullying. The deer was shocked by the bear and tiger's behavior. How could they steal someone else's food? One day, Mr. Owl announced that he would pick the class leader. The bravest person in the class would be the leader. The tiger declared he was the bravest because he wasn't afraid of anyone. The bear agreed. Mr. Owl asked the zebra, "Do you agree?" The zebra was scared and could not answer. The deer didn't want the tiger to be the leader. If he was the leader, he would continue to bully others. So, the deer stood up and told the teacher what the bear and tiger had done to the zebra. The teacher told the bear and tiger that bullying is not bravery. He asked them both to apologize to the zebra. The teacher told them that they had to bring food for the zebra for the next 3 days. As the deer was brave enough to tell the truth, she became the leader of the class.